Alright, so I'm gonna do a video on how to cut your own mask, in case you can't afford something quick. So we're gonna have me some scissors. I got a green sock as well, old school green sock, and then I have some socks as well, another pair of socks, ankle socks, no show. Alright, so you're gonna cut down here. Then you cut down here as well. So let's start the cutting. You're also gonna need some napkins as filters, but I'll show it to you as well. They're kind of thick. All right, so you cut this one side, the toe end right there, and then this is a sock right here. Try to do it as a square or a rectangle as much as possible. So here are the napkins I was telling you about, the regular hand napkins. I'm gonna use this as a filter, and I get a lighter to prove that it won't breathe out. So once you get the sock right here, you're gonna cut notches at an angle right here, so it can go across your ear. Hopefully things focus. The quarantine minds will bring up ideas now, so if you want to be fancy, you can burn the edges, but I ain't doing all that though. Just a little how-to video, something quick. Alright, so remember it was squared. So now you open it. This part right here, we're gonna go over the ear. After you do that, you're gonna open it, and you're gonna turn it, and then lay this part flat. So where the notches is at, you're gonna lay this part flat right there. So if I can get it on my hand, lay it like that. So it's flat now. And you put it on the ground like that. And then, depending on the length of your sock, how you cut it, the front end, you're gonna fold it as such. So we'll do it like this. Fold it. Say we fold it halfway like this. So it won't show at all. So it won't show at all right here. So you put that sock inside there as such. I can see somebody talking to that dude hood, man. Ghetto. It works though, so that's all that matters. Alright, so you're not going to see the white part of it. So remember this part right here is going to go on your face. This other end, slide it in. So you put it across your face like this. So it goes like this. If you do see the white part, like you see now, this could show you current. So let me get a Alright, so I got the filter in. Just to prove that it does work, you just hit a lighter. So you blow. So it doesn't go through, so I'll let you know to do it this way. So yeah, to go quick fix to a filter. So that's it. If you want it, burn the edges. If you want to be fancy, this is a temporary fix because some people can't afford it. You can if you want to though, but that's it. You do the same thing with the short sock, cut the same edges as well, and then go from there. So if you have any questions or concerns, hit me up, like, this usual stuff, and please leave a comment if possible. Bye. I hope to help you guys out. Bye.